This is the furnace here at Pine Grove Furnace. You see all around here. So if you go in this direction, see what it says there. Let me go over this way. See another one right here. And then finally, if you go over, nice fall stuff you can see over there. That's what it says there. 18th to 19th century. You can see how they do it. It's really cool. See exactly how they do it like that. You go over this way. See another really cool thing. Angle furnace. You can see. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You got a different perspective like that.
Spider eggs.
Spider eggs. Yeah, that's what that is. Very narrow pathway.
Yeah, careful.
Actually, I don't think you can go that way. Yeah.
Just like
Do you guys walk all the way around it?
you guys can.
It's too narrow.
Let's go around this way.
Yeah. It's just another view of it. All right, come on.